Hi, my name is David, and today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio tracker for your cryptocurrencies using the Elliptical add-on for Google Spreadsheets. As usual, if you want to install the add-on, you just have to go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and from here you type Elliptical, and this is the add-on. So you just have to click Install. I already have installed, so I don't have to do it. But once you have it, now you can use the custom functions. So let's create a portfolio tracker. Let's say that I have a couple of cryptocurrencies. Let's say that I have BTC, ETH, Solana, some AVAX, some AXS. Let's say that I have some Aave. What else can I add here in my fake portfolio? Let's say that I have some Gala, and that's it for now. Okay, so let's say that for each one of them, I have let's say it has 0.85 BTC, 2.5 ETH, some 110 Sol, 150 AVAX, some 90 AXS, some 87 Aave, and maybe some 10,000 Gala. Okay, that's my fake portfolio, and now we can use the custom functions to fetch the price for today. So let's fetch the price. Let's right align this, and we use our function ELP. This is the list of bundle that comes with the add-on. So that one is called the ELP coin price. Remember that all the functions are prefixed by ELP as a reference to elliptical. And now we just pass the symbol as an argument. So we have the price of BTC, and we can just drag down, and now we have the price for all of them. We can apply some formatting, so giving that in currency. Okay, so we have the price. So if you ever use something like, well, before that, let's now that we have the amount of tokens and the price, we can calculate the total for each one of them, right? And it's just simple a matter of multiplying these two. Actually have the suggestion already in place. I can scroll down, and now I can have like the total, so I know the total of my portfolio, and that's pretty cool. Now I can see, if you ever use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, it's very typical to see what is the variation of the price of that token in the last 24 hours or in the last 7 days. We can do the same here using the add-on. So for that, we're gonna require two columns, one for yesterday price and one for the price a week ago. So let's say for yesterday, let's say 24-hour price, and we have now the 7-day price. Okay, we're gonna have these two columns, and we're gonna use the same custom function that I used before, the ELP coin price. We pass a symbol, but now instead we can pass the second argument, which is the date. So we're gonna provide, we're gonna use the function today. This is one of the built-in functions from Google Spreadsheets, and then just -1. So this will be yesterday. We can now drag down this to apply to all of them, and very similar here. Now I'm actually gonna doesn't matter if I write this again, coin price, BTC, and now it's gonna be 7 days in the past, right? So -7. So now we have the price of a week ago. We drag down, we give some formatting here for $, and now we have it, the price yesterday and the price a week ago. So now we want to see, okay, what was the variation between the price yesterday or a week ago compared to today's. So we can say the 24-hour change is gonna be, and we can have also the 7-day change. There's two new columns, and we can say now the 24-hour change will be the difference of today's price minus yesterday's price, and all this divided by yesterday's price as well. There you go, that's the change. We apply it to all of them except the last one, and this is of course a percentage value. Cool. Now we can apply similar logic for the 7-day change. We take the price of today minus the price of a week ago, and we divide the whole thing by the price of a week ago, and we should be good as well. So we that's pretty neat. So one more thing that we can do is to actually have some code coloring. So whenever the price has dropped, we get some red color, and whenever the price goes up, we get some green. And so we can select these two columns here, and we can apply formatting, conditional formatting here, right? And we can say, well, if the value is less than or equal to 0, it means that it went down. So let's use a red color, right? We click done. Let's see. You can see now the one in red and less than 0 are in red. And we can apply the same thing, but now if they're above 0, so if they're greater than, actually, you know what? It's going to be greater than or equal to 0. We're going to have to change the other one a little bit. And the formatting, we use that one. Let me modify this because now I only want this to apply when it's only less, not less than or equal. So less than 0. Okay, a small change, but for me it's meaningful. And there you have it. Now we can just hide these two columns, right? This is just for intermediate steps. So we hide, and we can apply some nice formatting here that I usually like to do. If I ever find, where is it? Some gray color. And you can apply some filtering as well, right? If you want to know which cryptocurrency in your portfolio has gone up the most or the least. So you can apply the filter. And now you can say, okay, which one has gone the least in the last 24 hours? You can order it. C to 8. A to C. What is going on here? Oh, right. I forgot to add the last field to my, yeah. So that was the issue. It was not able to actually change the table because I forgot about this first column. So now that I add it, now I can actually order this in the way that I want it, right? So I can see now AVAX is the one that has grown the most in the last 24 hours. And Gala is the one that has dropped the most in the last 24 hours. And you can do the same, like maybe in the last 7 days, give me the worst performance one. And that will be Gala in the last 7 days. That's it. That's how you can use the Elliptical add-on to create your portfolio tracker. Until the next video.